Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Yesterday I was chatting online to an old American friend of mine who lives in California. And he was telling me how terrified he is by the speed with which the Trump regime is currently dismantling the system of checks and balances that had existed in the United States. Checks and balances are basically rules and systems that exist to stop any one person or any one group within an organisation or a company or a country from having too much power. In terms of the country, checks and balances involve things like the courts, the civil service, the media, civil society, and so on. And as America continues its slide into authoritarianism, what we're seeing is checks and balances being made weaker and weaker, and the checks and balances that still do exist being flagrantly abused. One advantage, obviously, of checks and balances on things like government expenditure is that it limits and stops embezzlement and corruption, or at least makes them less likely. Sometimes when people are looking at the way a company is set up or the way a government's set up, they might comment on the fact that the lack of checks and balances is basically a bit of a fatal flaw in the system. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use checks and balances.